What is going on? Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're getting lowered. Alright, so what we got here, some H&R lowering springs. Beautiful. These are made in Germany. We got 2 for the front. I think these are the front. 2 for the back. Kind of try to get rid of this wheel gap. This should drop the car 1.4 inches all around. We got your warranties, all that stuff. And let me show you what the before looks. I'm actually going to get this done at a shop. I unfortunately don't have the tools, so this is not an install video, unfortunately, but just so you guys can see what it looks like on the car. All right, we got a beautiful day. Here she is, boys and girls. All right, she is dirty right now, so don't judge, please. Here's the wheel gap. So we got these are stock wheels, a little over three finger, yeah, I'd say 3 fingers comfortably in the front. And we got, I'd say probably like 2.5 fingers in the back. So let's go to the shop, get these springs put in, see how she looks. So again, here's the before. Let's do one last pull before we switch to the aftermarket springs. Nice. All right, we just arrived. This is my girlfriend's uncle's shop. If you guys are interested, Pramos Auto and Forklifts in the Bay Area, off Highway 4 in Pittsburgh, California. So highly recommend these guys, not just because I know them personally, but he's really honest, tell you straight up what you need, very kind, and good work. All right, let's get this puppy in. There's some progress. Ended up just taking that out. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna put the new ones in. And this is the old one. That's what it looks like from the bottom. Here's the stock one. Here is the aftermarket. Kind of concerned. I don't know if this is the correct one, honestly, but we're gonna try it out anyways. We're gonna get them installed and then see if it's right. These are the fronts. Alright, so pretty much it's all set. So when you drop the car, you have to line it up, and the weight of the car will keep the spring down. So now we got to work on the front. So far, so good. Give you guys a little taste of what it looks like. That's the stock spring. So right now it's on a lift, but I'll show you the other side. There's a new spring. All right, day 2. Suspension has settled. This is the drop we're looking at. I'm actually very happy with the back. And the back is about 1 inch of clearance. In the front, you got sorry, not 1 inch, a finger and a half. I've been able to get over, get into driveways and get over speed bumps, okay? No issues at all. So I think this is the perfect drop, honestly. Can't wait for my next modification. But this is just so you guys know how it sits. I didn't want to park all the way up to here. As you can see, there's a small chance I might hit it, but not a huge chance. Yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed it. Definitely give it a thumbs up. I'll put more info in the description, okay?